So this is Lab 1 circumpolar rotation, and what we really want you to do is be able to observe how the stars change over the course of a night and over several weeks. So it might be difficult to locate things like the Big Dipper, Little Dipper in the northern sky, maybe because of trees where you're at or lots of light or whatever. I want you to do your best to go out and look at the stars, the northern stars, and try to see as much as you can. So what I want you to do is, kind of draw where the land is. If there's some trees here, draw some trees, so that you know kind of where you are, and can orient yourself later on that night, and especially in 3 or 4 weeks when you're doing this again. So as you're looking at the night sky, hopefully you can find maybe the North Star, and maybe you can find the stars of the Big Dipper, or whatever other stars that you see out here maybe. And that's what I want you to do, is take a look at it and then say, oh, this one was done at 9 p.m. So just kind of write that down on there, and maybe a date, so 6/23 or whatever, so that you have some idea of what the stars look like. And then go out a little bit later and you'll say, all right, this is what the stars look like maybe at 12 p.m., so later that night. And as the stars change, so now maybe Polaris should still be the same place, but maybe the Big Dipper is going to look something like this. It'll have rotated around. These other stars will have rotated around. So we know they all go around the Big Dipper, or around the North Star this way. I want you to see what the stars change over the course of 3 hours. And then, of course, we're going to come back a few weeks later and do this exact same picture. What you're going to see is that the stars have changed their location, and I want you to try to do it at 9 p.m. and at 12 p.m. again, the same times, and see how the stars change over the course of a month. So we're looking at how they change over the course of a few hours and over the course of a month. Attached to this lab are some sky charts, which just tells you what the stars should kind of look like to help you figure out if you're looking at these times here. If you're looking at June, this is kind of an approximate, but as you're looking at the northern sky, you should see the Little Dipper, the North Star, Cassiopeia, and some others, just to help you orient yourself if you need. You might not even need these star charts. So when you're done, take those sketches, scan them in somehow. I really don't care about how artistic they look. I don't want you all to be Picassos, but I do want you to be as neat and as clear as possible. So scan them in as JPEG files, or a PDF file. If you scan them in as JPEG files, then it'd be nice if you could put those in maybe a Word document and do a save as PDF, and in the end just give a PDF file on the Angel server. So explain any changes in position of the stars during the night and between the two sets of observations, explain why they occur, and give some practical benefits that might come from a knowledge of the location and motion of the northern stars. So attach that at the end in one PDF document, and that should be it for Lab 1. You need to start this lab right away, and then you'll do it again right at the end of class and turn it in at the end of class.